DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners, got advanced features for professional traders. So check her out, DDAmanda.com. You know, back when COVID was going on,
Yeah.
the guy down there, they put a mask on his face.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Kindred spirits.
Hey, there's
You-
not many of us left, right?
There's plenty of us. There's
Oh,
more
yeah.
every day. The guy here, I forgot his name, but when COVID was going on, they put a mask on his face.
Shut up.
Yeah. I don't know if they did it to Sonny or not, but it was funny as hell. I was laughing my ass off. You know that guy in the statue during COVID? They put a mask on his face.
Really?
Yeah.
What is funny?
Huh?
What did they put on?
A mask, you know, they put one of those masks on him. Isn't that
Everybody
crazy?
needs a mask, right?
Welcome to Palm Springs. We're glad you're here.
Thank you.
Well, most of us. Welcome.
Morning, breakfast.
Hard to believe how many businesses are closed. They closed the body shop, the lotion place.
What?
You know the lotion where they used to sell the lotions? Gone.
Closed.
Yeah. How are you guys doing?
Good.
Yeah. I always loved this place.
It used to be Peabody's.
Yeah. Well, before that it was Trey something or
No, it was a
Revere or
karaoke place.
Revore or Revere Revel.
Revel is here. You
Oh,
see?
they're still open?
That's now a
Oh,
Mexican
yeah,
place.
yeah, yeah. Look at this guy. I want to put him in my yard. Then nobody will mess with me. Reveille, it's open. It used to be here, Reveille. Now it's something different. Welcome to Palm Springs.
Thank you.
We're glad you're here.
Oh, we're glad to be here.
Well, most of us. I'm glad you're here. Welcome to Palm Springs. We're glad you're here. Well, most of us. I'm glad.
Thank you, but I think we will do it.
That's one of my girlfriends right there.
But she's dead, I think.
She's what?
She's dead.
I know, my girlfriends are all dead. No, I'm just kidding. Where are you guys from? New York. They just had a big rally there for Trump in Madison Square Gardens. You missed?
No, New York, upstate.
Oh, upstate. What's it like up there? Huh? Oh, really? But it must be pretty.
It's pretty for sure. In
Yeah.
the summer. But it's cold.
Huh. This is a good, let's see, no. That used to be a really good place. That's a cool place. It's got a lot of rocks and stuff in there. You should check that out. And get a picture of you in front of that. Like you're afraid of it. You too, bye. Hey. How's your day going? When COVID was going on, they put a mask on his face.
Oh, that's funny.
I know. You want to see where Elvis Presley's star is?
Where is it?
It's right up there.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure you don't walk on it.
Yeah.
I don't like to walk on it. No, you got Elvis Presley and I forgot the other guy. Where are you guys from?
LA.
Oh, LA?
Yeah.
Oh, so you've been here before.
Yeah, we have.
Okay, Wayne Newton, Elvis Presley.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, Frank Sinatra, yeah.
Yeah.
You didn't notice that before?
That's cool.
Barbara something. Oh, Barbara Sinatra. When COVID was going on, they put a mask on her face.
Oh, that's great.
Elvis Presley's up there. He is. And Frank Sinatra. Right on the other side of the street. Papa John. If you want to make money trading stocks, you need a tool that works. DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener, and she will find these winning stocks. DDAmanda was written by stock traders, and we wrote a very, very powerful scanner. Our scanner uses both AI and user input to find and research these stocks. And the software is really easy to use. And the scanner has preset values, so getting started is a breeze, guys. Our mission is clear. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. And after you sign up, we're not going to leave you hanging. We have real-time support. Plus you get an hour of free one-on-one training. And if she doesn't make you happy within 30 days, we'll give you an instant 100% refund, so you've got nothing to lose. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.